Good morning, mga friendships! Good morning to all of you. Grabe, this is such a TMI, but I've been doing a multiple times of trips to the toilet. Initin ko muna lang ito saglit, guys. Before tayo kumain kasi sabi ni Rocky parang hindi daw masyadong luto. He's so weird. Yan, initin ko muna saglit para lutong-luto. Yan, mabilis lang naman eh. Yan, this is salmon by the way. OMG, may kamote pa pala ako dito, dalawa. Tapos tingnan nyo naman. Ano na, tumubo na yung kamote. Pwede pa kaya itong kainin? Oh my God. Pero hindi siya malambot. Pero ayan oh. I don't know if you can see. Pero may roots na. Yung isa din, meron na din. Ayan oh. Diyos ko Lord, anong na lang basta, anong tawag din? Basta yung ano, yung kamote na, nilagang kamote. Oo, mamaya. Then, yung foodie ko for today is this one. Mama, frozen food. The pasta. Ito is Napolitan pa rin. Hala. Jeep din ako nakabili ng cheese. Oh my God. Kasi sabi ko baka hindi ko kailangan. So, I was going to put this sa microwave. Ito yung favorite ko talaga. Napolitan, guys. Sorry, pasensya na kung lagi nyo nakikita na ito yung kinakain ko. Because I really like this one. Yan na yung isda natin. So, initin ko muna para sabay na sila na. Tapos, kape na din. Ayan. Magluluto. Gagawa tayo ng kape. Mga friendships, ito na yung ating lunch. Ayan, masarap talaga yung Napolitan looking from Mama flavor. Mama na brand. And sad lang kasi hindi ako nakabili ng cheese, pero okay lang din. So, here's my coffee. Ayan. Tapos, may isda tayo. Tapos, sausawan. This is like soy sauce. Tapos, parang may anong tawag? Basta nila lemon or yung parang orange something. Tapos, eto is karage chicken. Ba to? Hindi ko alam. Tapos, bigay to ng friend namin from Ninet. Thank you, Net! For this one. So, ayan guys, kain na tayo ng lunch. Itadakimasu! Hi guys! So, nandito na si Rocky. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi na-busy na ako. Tapos masakit din yung tiyan ko. Grabe. 11 times akong pumupupo. TMI. 11 times talagang magpupo, no? Okay. Ang hirap naman ng seatbelt so we can be safe. Okay, let's go. We're safe now. So, this is my hair. I don't know if kung this video ba nung salon niya, yung mauna or etong video ko sure. And so, right now we are heading to McDonald's because today is Saturday and when I'm with my ex-boyfriend. There. Can you see him?
Why ex? Because already married.
Yeah! I own you! I own you! First. Ako ba? Nag-ingon first. Ikaw. Dito na kami sa McDonald's. Inom muna. Soba eh.
Cards and 790.
Unsa din ang clubhouse? Dito ko kakata. Burger gyapon na pero
Dako pa ang Big Mac.
unsa din ang kana flurry nila? Mango? Is that a mango? Yeah, so we're inside McDonald's now and we already made our order and we're just waiting for it. This is our number 321. Ayan, medyo marami yung kasi gutom na gutom ako guys. Naubos yung aking kinain kanina, di ba? TMI. Ayan, I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat. Pero parang malaki yung ito na may strawberry. We're just got out from McDonald's and I got my, what's this? Ice cream. Akala ko ano to, parang,
Can I have a bite?
yeah, you bite oh. Bite to. Baka dako baba niya. Na-destroy na guys. Na-destroy ang aking magandang ice cream. Kasi sinabi dito almond tsaka chocolate. I really like almond and chocolate kaya I wanna try this. And baka okay na din yung aking chan. Hindi ko na ilalabas to, no? Kasi kanina grabe. 11 times yata. I counted it. I think it's 11 or 12 times.
11 times here.
Yeah.
Okay, happy day.
Because on the 6 times I stopped counting because it's my like sunod-sunod pa eh. Nami ang cone, dili kayo ang maragahe, no? Oishi.
Kami, no?
Yay, Sunday na bukas. Best day pa rin. Here's my foodie from McDonald's. I got the Big Mac one. Because, why not? Para ma-replace naman yung na-loss. Ayan. Wow. Ang daming pan ng Big Mac. Pero yung ano kasi, yung double cheese ba? Walang masyadong gulay yun eh. Gusto ko ng maraming gulay. Pero walang gulay. Where's the tomato? Sa picture na may tomato.
I'm gonna go.
I miss a tomato, bro. Where's my tomato? Ay, dalawang large fries. Ayun. Kunin natin yung isang large fries. Pero, sige, isa naman kami ni Rocky na to. Kanya yan, sa akin to. Pag ayaw na niya, edi kainin ko pa rin. Oh, yan. Dapat zero. Yung kape ko, may naiwan pa. How's my makeup going? Wala, usashiburi talaga yung makeup ko. It's been a while. When was the last time I remember that I had like this makeup? Diba? Wala na dito no? Kaya kapoy ko. Lumuot, manggod no? Mainit kasi, tapos wala akong magandang yung eyelash glue ba? Unlike this one na dikit na dikit yung eyelash glue. Isang ganyan lang. Iba pa rin yung fries sa Burger King. Wala may Burger King din sa Nagoya lang.
Okay.
Mura. Na.
No?
Kato dahil nag-ingon sila sa una.
Oh, mas go.
Na. Or sa Osaka. I don't know.
No. US mo din na.
Nalagi Burger King. Nag-kuhan ba sila sa una. Yay! Na Burger King! Like that oh. I think it's in Nagoya. But usually McDo lang. Ang laki naman ni Big Mac. Would luck me. I'm so hungry. Mas maganda gamit ko. Upside down. Tapos pag ganyan, malabas
Kusa.
ito. Oh, diba?
Kusa.
Nalagi.
Yabacho.
Yabatso? Di ba nakanan ka yabatso? Ang sa papapungkab ko? You like my makeup today, guys? It's so warm. And so we are planning to watch a movie tonight. Magdi-date kami ni Rocky sa movie house ng aming bahay. Oy, positive lang. Tapos meron kaming ding 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 ding. Hay-hayan. Hindi man kailangan maarte ka, oy. Kay umte lang hay-hayan, then raman oh. I don't naman daghang was sa gawas, di ba?
Yeah.
Dahil po dira, so baka kumati yung body mo. Ang nilagay mo sa iba, so better safe than sorry, di ba? Tapos na kami kumain and I'm going to search for video para panoorin namin. And while hinihintay ko si Rocky, maglalaba muna ako guys. Medyo nauna ko nang labhan yung iba, yung na lang, uniform ni Rocky na yan, yung sinuot niya. Hindi kasi, yun lang. So, ayan. Grabe, ang kape ng ilong ko. I don't know why. But I'm excited to watch a movie. Oh, I cannot get over with my look today. This is sugary. Tomorrow I am planning to do yung hair natin. Another look using my Juvia's Place talaga no. Juvia's Place palette. Hey. I thought I put something here. So, ayan. I'm so full, guys. Sana hindi na ako mag-watch mo na ako ng maghanap ako ng movie to watch. Upo muna tayo dito sa ating mahiwagang chair. So, see you later, I guess. Labi-labi. Kot-kot. Sa mabugnaw na lugar. Oh my God. We're watching a movie. So the movie's over. Over na. Dalawa yung movie na tiningnan, dyan, pinanood. Maguna, dyan tiningnan. Yeah. So I'm just gonna fold this laundry. Kasi, oh my God, you are sharing you, bro, you batutut. So, I'm just going to quickly fold this para konti na lang yung, ayan, konti lang yung labhan ko, yung uniform lang ni Rocky. Ayan, mag-fold muna tayo. Hindi ko alam what time na, alas 11 na, no? It's 11, I guess. So, my hair is almost straight na. Ayan, kasi walang walang hairspray to guys, lang. I just curled it, you know. Ayan, so I'm just gonna quickly fold this para makapag-wash na ako ng aking pagmumukha. Oh, I look so shiny. And you can see my pimple here already. Ayan, oh. Tapos medyo nag-transfer na dito konti yung aking eyeliner. Ayan, kasi parang naluha yung mata ko kanina. Ayan. Parang yan. Diba? Especially here. So, I'm just gonna fold this quickly, guys. And hopefully, I'm gonna say goodnight later. Hi, guys. Gabi na. Unsa na oras it? 11:55 dyan sa kapit na to. So, it's the end of the night, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on the next video.